Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, special limited edition meal for us. Ready? The Cheez-It Pizza, the stuffed Cheez-It Pizza by Pizza Hut, obviously. New place. We're checking out. Bro, it was raining so hard when I drove to get this. Dedication. Okay. Nice little seal to here, sliding around. Nice little seal. Gotta peel this off to get to the meal. You guys get to see it first. Look right here. Oh, bruh. It's like almost. Let me just hold this right here. Let's look. Bruh. Let's look at this. Bro, look. It's like over there. Like on top of each other. Okay. What the heck is going on here, guys? Look at that. Bro, look at that. Look at that, bro. Look at the sauce. It's like, the cap is like off. It's like off. It's not even off. It's like a sauce stain, I'd call it. Look at it. Sauce be dripping everywhere. I don't know, man. It smells okay. It smells like just a regular pizza, honestly. So let's just take the sauce out. Getting this all over the Look at that. That looks like a Cheez-It. So there's like stuff. Ooh, it's still hot. I can tell they're hot. Got the drink over here. Drink of it, my choice. A Pepsi. Delicious as always. Tastes the same. Okay, let's take the lid off the sauce. Even though it's technically already off. So, Cheez-It Pizza right here. Let's rip it in half and see what it looks like. Oh my gosh. Look at this. That was decent. Just like Cheez-It. It's like there's a powder stuff coming out. I don't know what that is. So let's just try a bite without any sauce. It's weird. It's not bad. It at first, like, the shell tastes like Cheez-Its, which it probably just is. A little shell bite. This tastes like Cheez-Its, yeah. Then with cheese inside, kind of tastes like. I'm guessing if I use the sauce right here, which I'm gonna dip it in. You can see the sauce. It's gonna just taste like a pizza, honestly. Let's try it out. It definitely has good flavor. I mean, I don't think it's anything that special. It's cool. I like how they put it in the shape of a Cheez-It. But other than that, not really that special. Yeah, that's like, I don't know what that is. It's like powder. Rip that off. Not very stringy cheese. Another bite with the sauce. Drenched in sauce right there. Delicious. Honestly. When I get 4 of them, it's really good. Definitely use the sauce though. The sauce adds a lot to the meal. 100%. Pizza Hut and Cheez-Its, I guess. Cheez-It. Good job. It's a good partnership. Good way to bring in money. It just only caught my attention. So, on a scale of like a pizza food I'd say that it gets a 7 out of 10. As like the name of it, like a stuffed Cheez-It Pizza, they probably killed it. I don't know how else it would be better because it tastes like Cheez-It Pizza. It's just not like a good overall combination pizza meal playable. So 7 out of 10. Hey, while they're in stores, if you want to check it out, go ahead. They're really good for the name and what you would expect. So check it out, like and subscribe. See you next week, guys. Bye.